go to our next order. So again, I ordered 2 more perfume, that is Engage perfume. Again, the smell was really very good. I have ordered like a lot of time Engage deodorants. Yes. And next is this Nivea Men Active Fresh Roller. So my brother asked me to order it because he was like he wants something for rolling. He said me that he wants something for rolling. So yeah, I ordered this for him. He just have to roll or whatever stuff. So again, it was very affordable. I don't know the price. I'll mention. Yeah. So this. And guys, I ordered one more very interesting stuff, that is this Mobi Live tripod that I'm using right now. So I'll make one clip and I will add into this video, you all can see. But yeah, I'm really enjoying it. It also have attached light like in this tripod. So as you all can see, my frame is much better, I guess. So yeah. Guys, now let's talk about this tripod. So this tripod is open like this. Okay, so this, and it has like, this works like this. I just loved the tripod. You all can see how cool it's looking, and this thing is work as standing off phone, right? And this is the flashlight camera. You all can see, I hope. So yeah, very great feature. And this, that is this, yeah. So this is, you know, for pictures and all ki agar aapko video on karne hai, you just have to press this and you have to connect this with your phone Bluetooth, and then you can click your pictures, portraits, videos, etc. And this also have this stand. Yes guys, I received one more order today, these masks. So I got 6 pieces of mask, and you can see it's so cute mask, I must say. It's in white, it's multi, it's in black, multi, and I just love these masks, and the quality is also very good, because as you can see, it's print. And I'm just gonna open one mask. I'm gonna show you all guys. So yes, I have opened this mask, and you all can see the quality of this mask is literally very good. So good, the space and everything is very good. So all over, I love these masks, and this was also very affordable. I don't know if you all can see exact price, I don't remember. It was of 300 something. So yeah, 6 masks of 300 something. It's a very great deal, I must say. So that was my last order guys, and that's it. I hope you all like this whole haul, that is Amazon haul. And if you liked it, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also comment me below that I should make more haul videos or not, like for like more of Amazon or not, or I should go for Myntra. Do tell me guys, मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना कि मैं Amazon के हॉल और बनाऊँ या ना बनाऊँ, एंड ये भी बताना कि मुझे अब Myntra का बनाना चाहिए या नहीं बनाना चाहिए, या Nykaa का चाहिए. Whatever haul you all guys want, I'll go for that. And yeah, I hope you all like this video. That's it for today. Nothing is left now. No, nothing is left. So that's it guys. As you all know, cases are increasing a lot, so please stay safe, stay home, and take care of your loved ones and of yourselves also. Take proper precautions, that is, you know, use mask, use sanitizer, and you know, boost your immunity as much as you can. And yes, stay safe, stay home. We'll see you all guys next time. Bye bye, take care.